Marienplatz is a lively historic square located in the heart of Munich, Germany. It serves as the city's main square and is a popular tourist attraction among locals and visitors alike. Marienplatz, Munich's central square, has an important historical and cultural significance. Since the 12th century, it has been the city's main market square, witnessing centuries of events, celebrations, and gatherings. The name Marienplatz translates to Mary Square, named after the column erected in honor of the Virgin Mary. Tourists flock to Marienplatz because of its stunning architecture, charming atmosphere, and many attractions. The new town hall dominates one side of the square with impressive Gothic Revival style architecture. Various stores, cafes, and restaurants can be found around Marienplatz. There are also several historical landmarks in the area, such as St. Peter's Church, one of the oldest churches in Munich, whose tower offers spectacular views. Marienplatz is not just another tourist attraction, it is a symbol of Munich's cultural heritage and an important place for everyone visiting this charming city. Whether you are interested in history, architecture, or simply immersing yourself in the lively atmosphere of one of Germany's most beloved squares, Marienplatz will not disappoint.